Hey everyone, and thanks for tapping into this video, and thanks for logging into the channel. If you are one of my new subscribers, welcome. And if you are one of my subscribers that have been with me for a while, welcome back. In this video, I'm just sharing the in progress state for our guest bathroom. And I say in progress because I cleaned it up because it was very dusty. We recently had the window replaced, and a lot of the dust just kind of settled on the floors and on the countertops, and I just wanted to sweep and get that stuff up and not let it sit. So after I cleaned the bathroom, I did go ahead and put in the home decor that you see. I wanted to add a pop of color, so I want it to be vibrant against the background or the color of the wall. But as I pan this camera, you might see some handprints over the wall, especially over where the window is. And that's because over the past few days, where the installers have been removing the windows and the blinds and all of that got dirty. And we need to repaint and clean all of that up. But having said that, I wasn't going to let the dust and debris stay in this space too long. So what you're looking at is the design that I came up with. Just wanted to transition to fall colors, go to some of the neutrals, the pops of color. So I'm using this ginger jar with the florals. Everything that you're seeing in this design is a Shop My Home. I already had all of it, so just kind of mixed and matched the colors. But what we also did replace with the new window going in is the faucet. We love that it has a sleek design. The water comes out pretty powerful because of the faucet type. But we also like that based on the color hot or cold, when you cut it on, it causes the light to change colors. So here I have the hot side on, and in a minute when the water is warm or hot, it's going to go to the red color. And there you see it. We really like this feature. So I just wanted to demonstrate that to you. The faucet came from Amazon. We replaced the faucet in this bathroom and also the other guest bathroom that accommodates the exterior pool area as well. So I'm just kind of showing you what I came up with. There's still some more work to do. When we moved into this home, we replaced the floors and put down the wood plank flooring. And over here, as you can see, I'm going to now show you. You can see the blind still needs to be cleaned, but I'm going to show you the window. They have to come back and do some trimming or sealing. So I kind of left it in its natural state, but we were just super excited to get the windows replaced throughout our home. And that's kind of like, don't touch it until they come back. And with the exception of that, I took care of everything else in this bathroom for a quick makeover. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.